Hey y'all, today we are going to be making a grape salad. Now I have a little secret to tell. There's this lady at a church that we used to attend, and she made this grape salad and it was so good. But she was that type of lady that her recipes, she's not giving them out. She's grateful if you want them, but she's just not giving them to you. So ever since then, I've been on the hunt trying to find the closest thing to it, or even the recipe if it's possible. But today we're going to try one and see, if this come close. All right, the first thing you need to do is, this recipe calls for about 4 pounds of grapes, red and green seedless, not cut or halved or anything. And I had a real hard time trying to find one small enough, especially with the green grapes. So I put a little bit more red than green in them for that reason, because they're really large. And I've already washed the grapes and set those aside. Now we need to make our dressing, as they call it. You need 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, softened to room temperature. You need 1 cup of sour cream, and I think this is about a cup. Measure it just to be sure. So this is, and I'm also going to probably do this low sugar, but the main, the original recipe is not low sugar. Yeah, that's about a cup. So, and I don't know why I keep saying Anyway, I'm going to include the original recipe, and then I'm going to try to put my little additions beside it, so that you you can do it how you want to. You don't have to do it low sugar if you don't want to. Alright. And let's see, the next thing is going to be a 1/4 cup of white sugar. Well, I'm going to use allulose. My stomach just cannot deal with certain sweeteners. And this is a sweetener that I have found that I can handle. And it's measured, cup for cup, just like sugar. And you can bake with it, everything. So we're going to put a 1/4 cup of allulose in here instead of white sugar. And we're going to, what's the next thing? We need some vanilla. So we need 2 teaspoons of that. I measured spoons here. Alright. This one has pecans in it, so I'm really excited about that. But I'm sure that you can leave them out if you need to. Alright, it smells amazing. And it just says mixed together. It didn't say anything about using a mixer, a hand mixer or anything. So maybe next time I can do that, but I'm just going to do what it says for now. At least the first try on this one. Okay. So we put our cream cheese in, we put our sour cream, we put our sugar substitute, and we put vanilla. And I'm trying to get it smooth, but what? Let's use a whisk and see if we can smooth it a little bit better. Let's see if we can just smooth this up. Right now it kind of looks like cottage cheese. I'm not really sure why. Stop there. All right, now you're supposed to add your grapes. See how big these are? They're pretty big. Grab your spoon and stir it up. Alright, so just before serving, you're supposed to let this sit in the fridge, which I'm probably not going to be able to because I'm excited. But you're supposed to let this sit in the fridge for like 30 minutes before serving. And you're supposed to incorporate your pecans right before serving. I'm going to go ahead and put those in. They're probably going to get a little soggy. All you need is about a half a cup. I'm just going to put what I have left in this one, which is not near enough. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to add a few more. So this is like not the prettiest ever or anything, but another handful or so should be enough. And I'm going to sprinkle it with a little bit of my Truvia brown sugar. The recipe said to sprinkle it with brown sugar. You'll see in the recipe when I link it. It says 2 to 3 tablespoons. So I don't even think it needs it, probably, but it probably gives it a little bit more of a depth of flavor. And that's it. So this would be perfect for your holidays. Just a quick little fruit salad to throw together. And like I said, it can be made with sugar or without. Alright, y'all. See y'all next time.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.